brainy beast now as we see Martin McCutcheon breaking in a new agent.
You want what?
She's training him to accept jobs on her behalf.
What'd you say? Please say good boy.
Richard Hammond always did love a digestive. This is him testing out a new physical challenge for total wipeout.
Can she actually take the lid off?
Like your haircut, Hammond? Much more dignified for a man of your age. Inside this bush, there's a small elevator for dogs. Going up, first floor, electricals. Second floor, menswear. Third floor, ladies' underwear. And of course, top floor, toys and sports equipment. Job done. It's Wayne Collins' place. Yeah, here, even the little shih tzu has to wipe his feet. I'm talking about the dog, by the way, not Wayne. Are you too tight to install cat flaps? Don't worry. Just get your cat on protein shakes until he's strong enough to force open doors. Failing that, why not stick blue tape to its paws and leave your bedroom window open? Works for me. Meet my friend Popsy here. Now, he is a really clever dog. A bit like Carol Vorderman, but with a tail and fewer whiskers. Now, watch this. Popsy, here's a question. What is 999,999 minus 999,998? One. Correct. And believe it or not, in America, there's meant to be dogs that are even smarter. Welcome.